Ever stare at a mountain of Excel data, dreaming of magically transferring it into QuickBooks Online? You're not alone. We've all been there, spreadsheets sprawling like unruly vines, and QuickBooks sitting patiently, waiting for its data. But here's the kicker. Not everything plays nice in this import game. So the real question is, which 4 list types actually can you directly import from Excel into QuickBooks Online? And how do you do it without pulling your hair out? Because let's be honest, data migration can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Think about it. You've got your customer list, maybe a vendor list, product details, all neatly organized in Excel. You're thinking, this should be easy, right? Just a quick import and boom, QuickBooks is populated. But then you hit import and things get complicated. Errors pop up, fields don't match, and suddenly you're knee-deep in a data matching nightmare. Why does this happen? Well, QuickBooks Online has specific formatting requirements. It's not just about dumping data. It's about ensuring the data fits into QuickBooks' structured framework. And that's where many people stumble. They try importing lists that QuickBooks simply doesn't support directly, or they don't format their Excel sheets correctly. Imagine you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's essentially what happens when you try to import incompatible list types. You end up with errors, inconsistencies, and a lot of wasted time. So, before you dive headfirst into the import process, it's crucial to understand which list types are actually compatible. Now, let's cut through the confusion and get to the heart of the matter. We're going to unveil the 4 list types that QuickBooks Online welcomes with open arms from Excel. These are the lists that, when formatted correctly, will seamlessly integrate into your QuickBooks ecosystem, saving you hours of manual data entry. First up, we have customers. This is arguably the most common list you'll want to import. Think of all those customer details. Names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, and more. Getting this right is crucial for accurate invoicing and customer management. QuickBooks allows you to import customer data directly, provided it's structured in a specific way. You'll need columns for customer name, company name, address, contact information, and other relevant details, all matching QuickBooks field requirements. Next, we have vendors. Just like customers, your vendor list is essential for managing payables and tracking expenses. Importing this list allows you to quickly populate your vendor information, ensuring accurate record keeping. You'll need columns for vendor names, addresses, contact information, and any other relevant vendor details. Again, matching QuickBooks field names exactly is key. Then, there are products and services. This list is vital for businesses that sell goods or services. Importing this allows you to quickly add your inventory or service items, including descriptions, prices, and SKUs. This saves a huge amount of time compared to manually entering each item. You need columns for the item name, type, inventory, non-inventory, service, bundle, description, sales price, purchase cost, and other relevant details. Pay close attention to the item types and ensure they match exactly what QuickBooks expects. Finally, we have the chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting system. Importing your chart of accounts allows you to quickly set up your financial categories, ensuring accurate tracking of income and expenses. You'll need columns for account number, account name, account type, and detail type. This list requires meticulous attention to detail, as any errors here can have significant implications for your financial reporting. Now, let's talk about the how. How do you actually get this data from Excel into QuickBooks Online without encountering a barrage of errors? The key lies in understanding the import process and adhering to QuickBooks formatting requirements. First, you need to prepare your Excel file. This involves ensuring your data is clean, consistent, and formatted correctly. Remove any unnecessary columns. Ensure data is in the correct format, text, numbers, dates, and eliminate any duplicate entries. This preparation phase is crucial for a smooth import. Next, you need to download the sample CSV file from QuickBooks Online. This sample file provides the exact column headers and formatting that QuickBooks expects. You can find this within the import section of each list type. Using this sample file as a template is the best way to ensure your data is compatible. Then, you need to map your Excel data to the QuickBooks fields. This involves matching the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This is where attention to detail is paramount. Double-check that you're mapping the correct columns and that the data types match. Finally, you need to import the file. QuickBooks Online will then process your data and import it into the corresponding list. It's crucial to review the imported data to ensure accuracy and make any necessary corrections. Let's break down some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One common mistake is using incorrect column headers. QuickBooks is very particular about the column headers it expects. Using slightly different names or misspellings can lead to import errors. Always use the provided sample CSV file to ensure accuracy. Another common mistake is incorrect data formatting. For example, dates should be formatted in a specific way, and numbers should not contain commas or currency symbols. QuickBooks has specific data type requirements, so ensure your data is formatted accordingly. Missing required fields can also cause import errors. QuickBooks requires certain fields to be present in your import file. Ensure you've included all required fields and that they contain valid data. And lastly, incorrect account types for the chart of accounts. This is a big one. If you select the wrong account type, your financial reports will be wrong. Ensure that your account types match the correct QuickBooks account types. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.